Unlock your limitless potential. Become the ultimate you in 2025. Feeling stuck? Yearning for more? In the whirlwind of 2025, becoming your best self isn't a fantasy. It's an achievable reality. We're not talking superpowers, but about optimizing your mind, body, and spirit to thrive like never before. This is your invitation to step into a life of boundless energy, laser focus, and unwavering purpose. This isn't just another self-help article. It's a roadmap to becoming the most vibrant, productive, and fulfilled version of yourself. Get ready to discover actionable strategies that will transform your life, one powerful step at a time. Let's embark on this journey together. The foundation of any transformation lies within your mindset. Dr. Carol Dweck's research reveals the power of believing in your ability to grow and learn. This isn't just positive thinking. It's a fundamental shift in how you approach challenges and setbacks. A growth mindset empowers you to embrace discomfort, view failures as learning opportunities, and relentlessly pursue your goals. It's the fuel that propels you forward, even when the path gets tough. Are you ready to ignite your inner fire? Embrace the challenge. Seek out opportunities that push you beyond your comfort zone. View them as exciting puzzles to solve, not threats to avoid. Effort over outcome. Celebrate the hard work you put in, regardless of the immediate results. Consistency and dedication are the keys to long-term success. Feedback is fuel. Welcome constructive criticism as a valuable tool for improvement. Don't take it personally. Use it to refine your skills and strategies. Celebrate every victory. Acknowledge and appreciate your progress, no matter how small. These wins build momentum and reinforce your belief in your abilities. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine, capable of incredible feats. Biohacking is the art of fine-tuning that machine through strategic lifestyle changes. It's about understanding your unique biology and leveraging it to unlock your full potential. In 2025, we have access to a wealth of knowledge and tools to optimize our physical and mental well-being. From personalized nutrition to cutting-edge fitness techniques, biohacking empowers you to take control of your health and vitality. Are you ready to supercharge your body? Nutrient-rich fuel. Ditch the processed foods and embrace a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Think vibrant fruits, leafy greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Intermittent fasting. Experiment with intermittent fasting to boost focus, energy, and cellular repair. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best approach for you. Superfood power. Incorporate superfoods like berries, spirulina, and turmeric into your diet for enhanced cognitive function and overall vitality. Dynamic movement. Combine strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises for a well-rounded fitness routine. HIIT workouts are perfect for maximizing energy and fat loss. Sleep sanctuary. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and optimize your sleep environment for deep, restorative rest. Stress mastery. Implement stress-reducing practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Chronic stress can sabotage your performance and well-being. In a world of constant notifications and endless distractions, the ability to focus is a superpower. The most successful individuals are those who can shut out the noise and dive deep into their work. This is the essence of deep work, a concept that can revolutionize your productivity. Imagine being able to accomplish more in less time, with greater clarity and creativity. Mastering focus is the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your most ambitious goals. Are you ready to conquer distraction and unleash your focus? Time blocking mastery. Schedule specific blocks of time for focused work, free from interruptions. Treat these appointments as sacred commitments. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, silence your phone, and create a dedicated workspace. Minimize visual and auditory distractions. Pomodoro power. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Flow state activation. Identify activities that naturally immerse you in a state of flow, where time seems to disappear and you're completely absorbed in the task at hand. Becoming your best self isn't just about intellect and physical prowess, it's also about emotional intelligence, EQ. EQ is the ability to understand, manage, and express your emotions effectively, as well as empathize with others. In 2025, those with high EQ will thrive in all areas of life. They'll navigate challenges with resilience, build strong relationships, and lead with compassion. Are you ready to elevate your EQ and unlock your emotional potential? Self-awareness journey. Pay attention to your emotions and how they influence your thoughts and behaviors. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection. Empathy amplifier. Make a conscious effort to understand the perspectives and emotions of others. Practice active listening and ask clarifying questions. Emotional regulation toolkit. Develop healthy coping mechanisms for managing stress, anxiety, and frustration. Mindfulness, deep breathing, and exercise can be incredibly effective. Relationship cultivation. Nurture your relationships with supportive and positive individuals. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. The concept of superhuman in 2025 is not about reaching a fixed destination. It's about continuous growth and evolution. The world is constantly changing, and those who adapt and learn will thrive. Embrace a mindset of curiosity and a commitment to lifelong learning. This doesn't mean going back to school. It means actively seeking out new knowledge and experiences. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops, and engage with mentors. Are you ready to embrace lifelong learning and stay ahead of the curve? Daily reading ritual. Dedicate time each day to reading books, articles, or research papers that expand your knowledge and challenge your perspectives. Online learning platforms. Explore platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Masterclass for access to a vast library of courses on a wide range of subjects. Mentorship magic. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance, feedback, and wisdom. Learning from experienced individuals can accelerate your growth. Reflective practice. Take time to reflect on your experiences, both successes and failures. What did you learn? How can you apply those lessons in the future? The most fulfilled individuals are those who live with purpose. When you're aligned with your core values and have a clear sense of why you do what you do, you'll experience greater motivation, resilience, and joy. Having a purpose fuels your passion and provides the energy to overcome obstacles. Superhumans in 2025 are driven by a desire to make a positive impact on the world. They find meaning in serving others and contributing to something larger than themselves. Are you ready to discover your purpose and live a life of meaning? Passion exploration. Reflect on what truly excites and motivates you. What activities or causes make you feel alive and energized? Value alignment. Identify your core values and ensure that your daily actions and long-term goals are aligned with those values. Service-oriented mindset. Explore opportunities to serve others and contribute to the greater good. Volunteering, mentoring, or simply offering a helping hand can bring immense fulfillment. Becoming the ultimate version of yourself in 2025 is a journey of continuous growth, self-discovery, and intentional action. By cultivating a growth mindset, optimizing your body and mind, mastering focus, elevating your EQ, embracing lifelong learning, and discovering your purpose, you can unlock your full potential and create a life of extraordinary fulfillment. Remember, this isn't about achieving perfection, it's about making progress. Every step you take towards self-improvement brings you closer to the person you're meant to be. The future is yours to shape, and with the right tools and mindset, 2025 can be the year you truly unleash your inner superhuman. Ready to take the next step? Visit our channel daily for new inspiration, actionable tips, and exclusive resources to help you on your journey to becoming your best self. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to growth, purpose, and living a life of limitless potential. Click here to subscribe and start your transformation today.